Welcome, my full name is Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box, but if you can't, you can always use a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So from there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located right here, as you can see where the pin is holding. So it's on the upper left side of the device, and once you push it in, you can see that the tray pops out, and from here you have access to either two different SIM trays or one SIM tray and one SD tray. Now if you opt out to go with two different SIM cards, you would put one right here instead of the memory card, as you can see right now, and the other one would go right here. Just flipped it like so, and then in the spot of the SIM you can put in SD card like so. Now before you slide in, make sure it's laying flush on the tray, and then you can insert it, and from here give it a moment, it should pop out a pin. There we go, the SIM card pin. Tap on OK, if that's assuming you have one. I do, so that's why it's popping it up. And then you also have the SD card, so both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.